Hello, my name is Jonathan Arias. I'm the managing partner of the Onyx Group. Thank you for your time and attention. I want to talk to you today about a few of the things that landlords do that cost them money. And later on, they calling me like, Jonathan, help me out. Well, let me help you out before I need to help you out. Amen, somebody?
Amen.
Amen. All right, so number one is there are many rules regarding security deposits, and I've seen landlords mess this up. One of the main things is you're supposed to keep it, the money segregated. You're not supposed to commingle it. So that's one thing. I've seen landlords make that mistake regarding security deposits. Another area regarding security deposits is when somebody vacates your property and you're going to give them the security deposit, or you're going to deduct security deposit, or deduct costs from the security deposit. There's a certain way that you have to do that. There's a certain form that you have to use, and you have deadlines. You have to do it within 30 days of the person vacating the property. I've seen people send it out 33 days after, 37 days after, and they don't use the right form. And then all of a sudden, what the law says is you have to forfeit that amount. Now, you can still sue the tenant afterwards for that amount, but you don't want to have to go through that. You want to just do it right the first time, and then you could deduct what is lawfully allowed to be deducted from the security deposit. Also, be careful what you deduct. So there are plenty of blogs out there, plenty of good information. Check the Florida Bar in terms of what you can deduct from the security deposit. Some stuff is normal wear and tear, and if you deduct that, then your tenant could come back at you for taking the security deposit unlawfully. By the way, if there's a security deposit lawsuit, the loser has to pay attorney's fees. So that sucks. Making a mistake, you lose the time paying your attorney or spending time litigating that, and then you still have to pay the loser's attorney's fees. Don't make the mistake. Number two, going alone to try to litigate any type of lawsuit. No lawyer, no bueno. Say it with me. No lawyer,
no bueno.
no bueno. Okay. So when it comes to an eviction case, the law says that if it's uncontested, you could do it on your own. And if you feel comfortable doing that, I still don't recommend that, but at least the law says that you can. Once it's contested, once a tenant provides some type of answer, you need an attorney. I've seen people who, I have a client who, in one instance, she tried to get her staff to continue litigating the case, and the judge did not like that. She got into big trouble, and I had to come in and help them out. So do not try to litigate on your own, be it an eviction case or be it any type of case. If you have the ability to hire an attorney, please do. What I tell people all the time is, I could put in plumbing myself, but do I? No, because I'm not a plumber, and that should be left to plumbers. I could probably, with YouTube, maybe, conduct surgery on my arm. I'm not going to, because that's foolish. That is best left up to the experts. All right. Number three, not contracting away duties to your tenant. What do I mean by that? Well, there are certain things that you don't have to do as a landlord. Depending on the type of property that you own, you could contract away certain extermination duties, certain duties regarding just a myriad of things in your property. And what that does is it saves you time, effort, and money, because you're no longer responsible for those things. So if you contract as many duties away as possible and you negotiate that and the tenant is fine with that, then guess what? Let's say it's an exterminator. You're no longer paying for that exterminator. Your tenant is. So I always suggest you contract away as many legal duties or as many duties with regard to the maintenance of a property as possible. Now, there are certain things you can't contract away. For that, you give me a call and we could talk about it. But that's it for now. 3 tips to save you money or make sure that you don't lose money in regard to managing and running your property. I'm Jonathan Arias. Thank you very much for your time and attention. If you want to reach out to us, give us a call, 786-504-5760, or you can reach us on the web at theonyxgrouplegal.com. Thank you very much. God bless you.